edad620, number 5, Reflective Journal. Digital citizenship: model and facilitate understanding of social, ethical, and legal issues and responsibilities related to an evolving digital culture. I like Brandon for to discuss legal issues, especially in digital and school culture. A. Ensure equitable access to appropriate digital tools. Meet the needs of all learners. I had to really advocate and fight hard for digital tools and bring in lawyers at some of my sites, but a lot of partners with grants and local groups did help us meet the needs of all learners. It's part of my growth plan to have technology and to help all students. That's a commitment to all learners. It's a worthy goal, a lot of work, but it was worthy. For adding more tech for learning online is a more social and effective tool for students, especially those at risk, which is the population I hope the most. B. Promotes, model, and establish policies for safe, legal, and ethical use. It took time and effort above the school day to promote and model policies for tech. As a bilingual administrator, I had to translate about safe, legal, and ethical use of technology on many occasions. Many families are not aware of the laws, so it's our job as administrator to explain to proper school use of tech. C. Promote and model responsible social interactions to the use of technology information. I did a wonderful article with students, families, and staff about the dangers of social media technology at a young age irresponsibly, and what the law does and does not protect for students. Many had no idea that there were laws about social media and how it affected them, including sharing items about school events online and about people. Please don't screenshot things and share it. That gets tagged and then we can record it. With the cops, we want you to be safe. And learning about this law helped the families be more responsible. C. Model and facilitate the shared cultural understanding through global issues. The principals spent a great amount of time discussing shared cultural understanding of the vision to have a better school for all learners using communication tools online. It's vital to have a good school culture where global issues can be related to school and law.